Hello my YouTube friends. Today we're on City Island at 239 Play. We're gonna be digging for some awesome toys. All right, let's go inside and see what we can find. All right, first thing I noticed was these amazing G.I. Joe figures. Those are so cool. Got tons and tons of amazing vintage toys in here. Couple loose pops. Supreme Court justices.
Here.
That wrong. Lots of loose. I always like these campus cuties. I think those are super cute. And got vintage glasses. I love these things. These things are super cool. More vintage glasses here. Oh man, there's so much to look at here. Some cool vintage pinups. Oh, check out these Mego figures. These are amazing. And then we got loose figures here. Vintage strawberry shortcakes. Oh, these things are super cool. Got some Star Trek patches. Oh, Michael Jackson dolls. Those are super cool.
Oh yeah, the Michael Jackson's a newly acquired.
Yeah. Every time I get them, they're gone within like a week. They just don't last. Oh, we got Power Rangers. We got California Raisins.
Oh, it's fine. Not a problem.
Ghostbusters. Simpsons. Trays of My Little Pony. Trading cards. Trolls. Oh, the Star Princess magazine looks super duper cool. I'm definitely gonna get one of those. More California Raisins. Okay, we got a lot more figures right here. There's so much to look at. I don't even know where to begin. Some robots. Tons of Lego minifigures.
18 working tested Polaroids, which we just got in.
We got 18 tested working Polaroids. I don't know if my crowd's into
I know, probably not, but I was excited about them. I had that thought.
We got the Ghostbuster house. And then we have the Death Star playset. That's amazing.
That's an old $20 bill.
I'm gonna do.
Just call that real.
He's got a ton of comic books. I'm gonna be digging through those on Pop Comics.
I'm okay with not cash. Awesome. We are open 11 to 7 every day but Tuesday.
Robots.
And,
Bart Simpsons.
Where are you, Bronx?
Alf.
Where are you at? Cool. Do me a huge favor. Give this to one of your friends. This is a $10 off coupon for a future purchase. Or you can get 2. You just can't use them. Yeah. Have a nice day, guys.
These pinups are really cute.
Yeah, that's better. No, I know. You there? Okay. Yes, go ahead.
Metal Mickey Mouse. Hulk Halloween bucket. I really like that.
Okay.
Ah, so much vintage awesomeness in here.
Get a 24 pack of bottles that are, you know, like $1 color. That's what I do. Get like either a Yingling or.
Those are cool.
Sure, you can do that. It doesn't matter. Or you can get like a summer ale or something like that. You know, like something.
Got a mannequin covered in buttons.
I mean, bottles are nicer, but hold on one second. Maybe
So
I don't know. I have not seen it. It doesn't really matter.
more comic books I'm gonna have to dig through. I'm gonna dig through all the comic books on Pop Comics. You can see what's in here.
That's 2K.
DC Comics presents number 80. Okay, I really want to dig through those.
10 seconds while I have you. You there? So, you know what I spotted this morning?
Oh, that circus sign is super cool. Records.
Yep.
Tons of pins. Oh, these are cool. They're like little teeny tins with a whole display.
Yep. And so we've got to run it across.
They probably had mints back in the day, I'm guessing.
Yeah.
That is really neat. Really neat. You have so much to look at. I don't even know where to begin. Trying to get it all in one video. Golden Age stuff. Tons of fun stuff behind the counter. Alright, let's go into the back area here. There's a ton more stuff on display. We have carded figures right here. Oh, these are cool. Old dime store toys. And more action figures. Tons of action figures. Old magazines. I kind of want to dig through those too. Alf dolls. Over here, more vintage dolls. And just little mini doll stuff. More Star Wars toys. Love the Star Wars stuff. Oh, we have a vintage G.I. Joe color form set. That's my childhood right there. And then just more dolls. Little Kittle. Love those. Man, this is full of fun stuff. We got some Funko Pops. I found them. But I like looking for stuff because I deal with Funko Pops all the time. It's more fun for me to find all the vintage stuff because that's not what I see every day. Okay, that's cool. Got some M&Ms. Ooh, I like the little Sprout clock. That's neat. Tempted to get that. Oh, did I show you the Mickey Mouses? That is neat. He's got comic books in every crevice, so I'm gonna be digging through all those in a minute. And then let's see. Got a haul of action figures here. Dan's sorting through his stuff.
Trying to make space to put out more new stuff.
Yeah. Well, that's the adventure, right? You're always looking for more new stuff to sell.
Good luck on that one.
Yeah. Has trucks. Star Wars. Got license plates, patches. Adult magazines. Wind-up toys. Simpsons toys. What's over here? Oh, that guy is cool. That's really cool, actually. Got some loose figures. Star Trek, Star Wars, Star Wars, Star Wars. Okay, that's cool. Alright, we got jewelry here. And, okay, we got a lot of records. I feel like I need to look through records. But if I'm looking for records, it's for my shop, and I don't need that. I just want to have fun right now. Ooh, we have some Commodore 64 games. That's kind of neat. Oh, NES games. Well, I'm gonna have to dig through that too. And then there's a little back room here with a whole bunch of, let's see, we got DVDs, posters, lots of extra toys, and comic books. It looks like there's little bits of comic books everywhere. A bunch of bins there I'm gonna dig through. And wow, it's hard to capture all this in one video, but there's a lot of fun stuff in here. It looks like he has drawers of parts, G.I. Joes. Wow, that's amazing. So much fun stuff in here. I'm going to be spending a long time digging today, I believe. This place is great. There's so much to look at and the prices are good. I cannot wait to dig. Couple little wind-up guys. Plate. Oh, an Alf animated figure. That's cool. Oh, how much does he have on that? I'll have to ask him how much he wants on that, because I kind of want that.
Yep.
Dan, how much you want for your Alf animated figure here?
Which one? Oh, like $8?
Yeah. All right, first purchase.
Nice.
Yeah, I gotta get that. That is cool. Good, just put it over here.
See this guy?
1950 sci-fi magazines. These are really
I don't
cool.
even know what. I mean, he's just a rap toy, right? We have a lot of good rap toys. I love the rap.
All right, I'm done shopping at the shop. We had a ton of fun today, and I got a lot of cool stuff. All right, let's head back to Williamsburg. All right, here's Brian's haul from Dan's place. These are Z. Is this a Z-Bot?
That's a Z-Bot, yeah.
That one's dope. It's like a Robbie the Robot. Couple of Pokemon, a Battle Beast, which is amazing. Do you know what this guy is?
Military Muscleman.
Military Muscleman. Interesting. And then we had 2 ETs that are unpainted. I don't think they're prototypes. I've seen these very often before, so I think they're like a giveaway. And then what was this guy?
The Trash Bag Bunch.
Trash Bag Bunch. Z-Bots. Then this is Black Star. Brian's actually going to let me buy that one, which is cool. Got some cool little rubber aliens. Racers, I guess.
Yeah.
Those are super cool. And then some weird sci-fi VHS tapes. And a whole pile of guts. Oh, is that gut?
Yeah, those are all guts.
Oh, these are all guts.
That's
All
like a ninja.
Yeah, these are awesome. I love the guts figure. Wow, Brian, you got a lot of really cool stuff. I'm kind of jealous a little bit, but it's all right. It's good to share. My friend Sean brought me a pile of comic books to buy, so that's in a future video. Let me show you what I got at Dan's parents' house. I got a really cool Playmobil pirate with like a crab. I thought that was super cool. And then I got 2 of these Savage Mondo Blitzers. Really cool little skateboard dudes. Love those. Those are cool. I got that one. I got that one. I also got one of these Alf animated series figures. Super cool. Absolutely love Alf. So that's all the toys I got while there. I also got a bunch of comic books, which I'm going to put on the Pop Comics. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.